Let's learn the letter D. Capital D or big D and small d. D makes the sound D. D for dog, D for dad, D for desk. Here is another letter, the letter H. Big H or capital H and small h. H makes the sound H. H as in hamburger, H as in hand, and H as in hat. In English, we also have the sound th as in 13, 3, and thank you. The letters TH make a th sound. The letters th also make a th sound, like in that, or they, or this.